Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. This one that is about sin s. This one that is about cos s. So we need to transform this one into this one, and this one that is about this one. Next, this one we can put sin s square. Now we have the formula in here. So because we have sin s square, so I will put this one go to the right, number one go to the left. So this one that is about this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cos s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have sin s ds. So this one we change for u, and u sin s ds we change for du. Next, this one multiply by u square and number one. So we have the formula in here. So we put number 13 gone here. So 13 plus 1 we have 14. The next one that is about number 12. About u that is about cos s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.